The village elders, members of the youth club, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bulavinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. You know, as the divisional manager has mentioned, that we are very happy to be part of these activities that took place before we came here, and that was the mangrove planting. Wherever I go to reach to the unreached youths, especially in the program like this, I have always said to them that these are some of the things that we have to collectively do it. We cannot alone do it. And most of you are aware that the program that we had, it all came after you attended a workshop in Tongevere. That interest was generated amongst you when you were part of the workshop. And I've been told that you people have prepared 3,000 mangroves. Can we all put our hands together for the young ones? I'd also like to thank our partners, OISCA. Just this afternoon, after the planting program, and after my discussion, we have agreed that we will do in nursery here in Korovou. Because we also see the interest from our youths as well. And here, without any hesitation, I want to say that the interest that you all have basically forced us to do this. No. And I hope that you will continue with the good work that you are doing. How important climate change is to all of us. You will all recall that in September last year, we have passed the Climate Change Act 2021. That in itself shows that how much importance government gives to climate change. There is a lot of talks about in some areas about relocation. But the good part here in Korovou is that if we do our part in partnership, and if we can protect our environment, there is no need for relocation for the people of Korovou here. And the way I see, and what I have been told, if we can continue with this, this is not just end of it. We will continue with this, and we will make sure that we will protect the fossils. That's the assurance that I want to give here this afternoon. Because it is very, very important for all of us. So once again, I want to thank the youths and the village elders for hosting us here this afternoon and for the work that you are doing. God bless you all. Naka.